by coming into a kneeling seated position towards the back of the mat. Place your hands in your lap, back. Draw your fists down towards the ground. Hold your heart open. Squeeze the shoulder blades together for one more breath. And then plant your hands in front of you under facing dog. Begin to pedal out through your feet here, taking about 3 rounds of breath. Weight into your left shin, high on the fingertips. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. Bringing hands to heart center. Namaste.
Work through various poses. That's really going to help with fibroids if you are suffering with fibroids. We are not going to need much, but if you have a wall near you, I suggest placing your...
Keep my options a little open, even though that was overly beautiful. What did she say? No security deposit?
No security deposit.
And so I'm already sold. But we are on the way to our next one, which is 30 minutes away.
Welcome. I'm back again with another vlog. To be quite honest, guys, I tried to do the sit down, but it wasn't working out. So I was just like, you know what? Because I'm enjoying vlogs, I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing with regards to the vlogs. As for everything else, I will, follow up with it whenever I decide to follow up with it. But for now, I'm enjoying vlogs, and that is exactly what we're gonna be focused on. And yes, I'm back in my favorite room. I feel like I enjoy here. I don't know if there's an echo, but I feel like I enjoy filming in here because it's quiet. You guys can barely hear like the noises that side. I don't live alone, so if you're hearing like music and stuff, it's not me, okay? But yes, I just wanted to say that, man, sit down, we'll see it, okay? We'll see it some other time. As for now, I'm enjoying vlogs, and that's what I'm gonna continue doing. As for this vlog, I'm gonna be, what am I gonna be doing? I'm gonna be taking you guys through a couple of days with me, just so that, wow. Yeah, I'll be taking you guys through a couple of days with me. I didn't make an intro, so this is the intro. But today I have a few errands that I want to run. I want to go check a coffee table at Relebo.N. Get a few things for the house. Prep because I'm hosting two of my friends. We're just gonna have a chill girls' day in, food, drinks, yap. Sorry, catching up and vibes, man, just vibes. Okay, just vibes. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And I hope you stay to join the family. We're all about empowerment, growing each other, and just living life in general. And life is chaotic, so I'm just bringing you guys through my chaotic but peaceful and still, and like it's a mixture. It's a little bit of everything, basically. So yeah, for now I want to get ready and go eat, take painkillers because I just started my period and yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to do a little cute outfit check. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. I'm wearing top from Mr. Price, pants Jet. These jeans are from Jet. I got them a while ago. I mean, I customized them. I obviously kind of cut the bottoms and then folded them because I'll show you guys. I like the situation going on. I'm wearing my Birkenstock dupes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Glasses from Legit, jewelry from watch from Levisa, bracelet Pandora. That's basically it. Oh, bag. This is the bag that I'm gonna wear. I got it from the Fix, and this is my running errands fit. Okay, so we're leaving the apartment now, and we're just gonna go and do some errands and run some errands and see what we can get. Oh, thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Don't you want to give me that bag? Give to me that bag.
No.
In my wardrobe right now.
Yeah.
Because what I do is I'm not a regular shopper.
Oh, okay.
I'm a creator.
Yeah.
So I don't shop everything. I make stuff.
And good quality.
Yes. So
That's
I
the
use that for a long period of time.
Yeah.
So I don't really need to shop. And right now, my wardrobe needs to leave them altogether. So,
Ikaw ka screen.
yes.
Ikaw ka really.
Like, because I need to get through the stuff that's in my wardrobe right now.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna do it interchangeably because I do need stuff right now for this challenge.
Yeah.
And considering time,
Guys, this is all they give us.
and it's the bigger bag. It's not even the regular bag. It's a bigger bag.
Oh my. This is all they give us. Oh my god. Are you serious? You guys are not
You
serious.
look inside to see
If they smoke. Because I'm like, I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Woolies sweets are more than.
Oh man, so good.
Wait, Get our shop, okay. What this is all they give us. Guys, you're not serious.
The
That's a big up Fred Irie. That's a big up Fred Irie.
Hey guys, I'm back again. To be quite honest, yesterday was chaotic. I had to run errands. I did tell you guys I had to run errands because I was hosting a few friends and they came over. We had a little girls day in, had sushi, drinks. It was so cute, so wholesome. I had such a great time. I don't even want to lie. This was my first time hosting the girls in the house. It's just us as the girls. And to be quite honest, I had such a great time. I feel like that'll be the vibe, like continuing out throughout the year. And yeah, man, it was really cute. It was really nice. We had a little catch-up session and yeah, man, I just really enjoyed my time yesterday. But now it's Sunday and I'm doing another fit check. Of course, I'm gonna wear my red bag. This is currently my current obsession. I don't know what is attracting me to red at the current moment, but I'm so attracted to the color red. It is insane. Like, it needs to be studied, okay? But yes, outfit check. I'm wearing my tank top from Mr. Price. I love this tank top so much. I'm not really a fan of gray like clothing, but this, I like it. I like it a lot. My tank top from Mr. Price, pants from Mr. Price as well. They're like long flared pants. I'm wearing my, what's this? My Birkenstock dupes again. I don't know if you guys can see them, but yes, I'm wearing my Birkenstock dupes again and the same jewelry that I wore yesterday. And I'm just gonna wear these glasses. I got these from, I don't know if it was Mr. Price or The Fix. It's been a while. So yeah, this is the outfit of the day, and yeah. I can't complete the outfit of the day without perfume. So this one is the Orchid Intense by Zara. I love this perfume. It's so cute, so sweet, so summery, and it's so hot outside. It makes so much sense for me to
running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't keep me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot.
Hi guys, I'm back from running errands again. I just want to go through a haul with you guys. We went to China. I don't know if it's a China market or China mall. That's definitely not a mall, but China something in Bruma. Got a few things. So firstly, we got some Thai rice, because in this house we don't eat regular rice. It's either jasmine rice. This is the first time we're buying Thai rice, so we'll see how that goes. And then we got these peeled mango sweets that I've been seeing going around on TikTok. I wanted to try them out. And see how that's gonna go. So yeah, we got these. We got some fruit mochi. I've never had mochi, so this is gonna be the first time I'm having mochi. So I'm pretty excited. About it. To be quite honest, guys, I'm so tired. Today was a very long day. And yeah. And then my partner got these Oreos. So I personally don't know if this is matcha or if this is mint. Like, please tell me if you guys can see. I don't know if this is matcha or it's mint. They'll have to find out because everything is written in this language. Okay, I don't know what language this is, but yeah. We got some noodles. That's standard. And then we got some instant noodles as well. Yeah. And then we got oyster sauce. We got oyster sauce. And then we also got some light soy sauce. I did not want to take the dark one because I felt like that was like scary, but yeah, we got these ones. So yeah, I actually want to try out the sweets with you guys. These ones. So hopefully they don't taste horrible. Apparently I have to peel them. So I'll just see if I can actually peel them. Oh, they're so sticky. Okay, I can't be fighting with a sweet like this. Oh my god. They're so sticky. Okay. Are they peeled or do I have to peel it? Like, how do I go about this? I don't know. Do I have to peel it? Oh, yes, I do have to peel it. So that's quite sticky, I won't lie. This is the peeling process. This is the peel. This is the mango. To be quite honest with you, I like the peel more than the mango itself. But they're not bad. Will I buy them again? I am not sure. But yeah. Oh, you know what I forgot to show you? We bought alcohol. So we also got this. I do not know what this is called, but it has 7% alcohol. I took it because it's aesthetically pleasing. Firstly, like, look at this bottle. Like, look at this bottle. It's so cute. It's very cute. Yeah, it's very cute. And then We also got this one. It says something soon, and then it says strawberry. It's Korean. Oh, it's soju. Shit, it's soju. Oh, okay, cool, interesting. And this one has 12% alcohol. So that's interesting. It's flavored soju. I've heard a lot of things about soju. I saw that this bottle looked familiar from TikTok and like other social media platforms, but yes, it's soju. So I'll tell you how that tastes as well. But yeah, that's basically the haul that I had for you guys. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is just I'm gonna chill and take it easy. We were supposed to go to the market, but we ended up not going. So yeah. Okay, so now let's try the mochi. Made in Taiwan. You wanna try it with me? Where's the scissors bit? You wanna try? Okay. There's orange, hemi lemon, and strawberry.
Can have strawberry.
I don't know which one is which. I'm assuming. I don't know which one is which. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one is which. I don't know. I'm just gonna be. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what is it. Oh, this is ooh, so soft. Okay. Let's try it together. But just tear it apart. There we go. I don't know. Cheers.
Kind of doesn't have taste.
Like you can't tell the difference. I can't tell if this is strawberry or melon or orange.
Flat. It's flat.
But it's a nice sweet treat. It's like a basic nice sweet treat. It's not
Yes.
too sweet.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. Maybe I just took these things because we saw them and I've been seeing them everywhere. So I was like, let me try them since we're here. Are we gonna try your Oreos?
Yeah.
What, there's only one?
There's another one.
It's just two of them.
Yes.
Right? I guess it's like a pack, right? There's like
Why is there
a
so
lot
much
inside.
air in it?
I don't know. They like the end of that thing.
That's so cool. So thick. Okay. This definitely smells okay. Maybe not.
Let's see what's inside.
Cheers. Yeah, I see how it looks inside.
Looks like shit.
It's matcha. I told you.
Yeah.
It's definitely matcha.
Yeah.
What do you think? I think the matcha is potent for me. Like it's there. It's like you can tell that there's matcha. But it's not bad.
Yeah.
Or I'll buy it again, yes.
Yeah.
I will buy it again. Yeah, matcha Oreos. I like them. So cool. Hi guys. Hi guys. I realized while I was editing that I did not do an outro for this video. I know it's very delayed. I'm like 2 weeks behind, but you know what? I'm uploading. Okay, I'm uploading. I'm doing my best. And I actually need to stop explaining myself and beating myself up for not um uploading. But you know what? That's a work in progress. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Um, we are on 113, if I'm not mistaken, subscribers. Not 135, 113, sorry. And yeah, man, I'm really excited. I am really happy. I am very thankful, most importantly. So yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end it. Bye, guys.